How to add text on shapes in Word. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a handy feature in Microsoft Word: adding text on a shape. Whether you're creating a flyer, a poster, or just want to spice up your document, this trick can be really useful. So, let's get started. To begin, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add text on a shape. First, let's select the shape we want to add text onto. You can choose from various shapes available in the Insert tab under the Shapes drop-down menu. For this demonstration, I'll select a basic rectangle. Once you've drawn the shape, simply click inside it to activate the Drawing Tools tab. Right-click and then select Add Text. Type in the text you want to add. You can adjust the font, size, color, and other formatting options just like you would with regular text in Word. Once you're happy with your text, you can resize or reposition the shape as needed by clicking and dragging its handles. And there you have it. You've successfully added text on a shape in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. See you next time.